you guys, it's Marci Sauter, the Rusty Blonde. We are getting ready to go home. I have a day left here in Brazil and then we leave here. And so I have started packing and I thought I'd just show you guys how I pack my suitcase versus my mom's because I'm sure they're very different. Still have quite a bit to pack, but I wanted to show you guys how I kind of do it. So these are like all of my clothes. That's it. With the exception of a couple dresses that I've used here and my nighties that I'm going to wear and a couple outfits. So I just fold these like so. I fold them in half and then in thirds, and it's like the perfect width of my suitcase. Okay, so these bottles here are my favorite fragrance. Every time I come, I buy them and I make them, and maybe when I get home I can show you a video on it for, I don't know. It's just something I don't think I can get in the States. And the fragrance is Summer Antique and it's amazing. So I have my bottles rolled here and here. And then right here, my toiletry bag will go. And then on top of that, I will put my books. And that's probably it for that side. And then this side, these are some glass bottles for my fragrance. This is just facial wipes for cushion, and these are my tennis shoes. I have my medical paperwork here, and then right here I will stick my beauty pillow, and then I will stuff it with all of my little things that are left, which are out here. Like this is my garment bag. I have some hair things, my jewelry and watch stuff, some face mask, and then there's what I have out. So anyways, now we are going to walk and I'm gonna show you my mom's. Let's see how she's doing. She's got her blanket here. Well, I told you it would be very different. She just has her stuff thrown in here. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to come in OCD. Oh, she's got one burrito t-shirt. Her towels. Oh my gosh, you guys look at this. Like there's a huge gap right here. Nothing. Those are nuts, it looks like. Okay, she's hilarious, you guys. Look at the way she packs. Like, who packs this way? I want to know. I need to know who packs this way. So I'm going to have to come in here and OCD her packing because anyways, a lot more stuff could fit in here than what she thinks. All of this stuff has to go in here, and there's no way that's going to happen the way it is. So maybe I will film on how I'm going to get all of this to fit in her suitcase. of that on the bed fit into that one suitcase. And then she'll have a little suitcase to put the rest of her stuff.